In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move around in a Miro board. If you're new to Miro or just need a quick refresher, navigating the canvas smoothly is the key to getting anything done. Start by logging into your Miro account and opening the board you want to work on. Give it a moment to load completely so all the content and tools are ready. You'll see your canvas in the center and the main toolbar along the left side. Think of the canvas as a large open space that can extend far beyond what's visible on your screen. To move around, you'll use the hand tool. This tool is designed specifically for panning the canvas, and in most cases, it's the default mode. You'll know you're in navigation mode when your cursor acts like a little hand and nothing on the board is actively selected. If you've clicked on a shape, a sticky note, or a frame, Miro may have switched you into selection mode, which is useful for editing items but not for moving the board. When that happens, don't worry. Simply look to the left toolbar and find the selection tool icon. Click it to drop whatever is currently selected, and then make sure it's not active so you're back in the hand tool. The idea is to turn off selection so Miro stops trying to pick up objects and instead lets you pan the view. If you're unsure, glance at the canvas. If you see bounding boxes or resize handles around an object, you're still in selection mode. Click once more to clear it. Now you're ready to move around. Click on an empty area of the canvas, avoid clicking directly on objects, and keep your mouse button pressed. Drag in the direction you want to go. As you drag, the board will shift under your cursor, letting you explore different sections. Release the mouse button to stop. Small, steady drags give you the most control, especially on boards with a lot of content. If you notice an item shifting instead of the whole board, that means you grabbed an object. Let go, undo the change if needed, clear the selection by clicking an empty space, and try again with the hand tool active. A quick visual check before you drag can save you time. That's all you need to confidently move around your Miro board. Open your board, make sure you're in the hand tool by clearing the selection tool, and click and drag on empty canvas to pan. With a few minutes of practice, navigating will feel second nature, and you can focus on your ideas rather than your cursor.